Good night, teacher. My name is Janet Hernandez Aguilar. I am a student agroforestry engineer. Slideshow. My life project as professional. 1. When I started studying agroforestry engineering, I realized the importance of focusing on geographic information system so useful when making a georeference in the area to be evaluated. 2. Every day you street met to meet my goals and be able to provide well-being to my family. 3. When my project becomes a reality, I will enjoy and well deserved vacation with my family. 4. My business idea of implementing organic products is spectacular and also represents economics for farmers. 5. Being by the side of so loved honest is a reward for so much effort of work for years. Thank you. Bye-bye.